Daily use action verbs with synonyms and examples. Speak. Synonyms: talk, communicate, converse. She loves to speak in public. They communicate through video calls. Write. Synonyms: record, note, inscribe. He likes to write poems. She records her thoughts in a journal. Dance. Synonyms: shimmy, sway, groove. They danced all night at the party. She enjoys swaying to the music. Jump. Synonyms: leap, hop, bound. The athlete can jump over hurdles easily. The rabbit leapt across the field. Run. Synonyms: sprint, jog, dash. Examples: he ran to catch the bus. She enjoys jogging in the park. Read. Synonyms: scan, peruse, skim. She read the entire book in one sitting. I usually scan the newspaper in the morning. Swim. Synonyms: wade, paddle, plunge. He learned to swim at a young age. They love to paddle asterisk in the lake. Cook. Synonyms: prepare, bake, grill. She can asterisk cook a variety of cuisines. He enjoys grilling on weekends. Sing. Synonyms: croon, warble, serenade. She sang beautifully at the concert. He loves to serenade his partner. Play. Synonyms: frolic, engage, participate. They played basketball in the park. The kids frolic in the garden. Build. Synonyms: construct, create, develop. He helped build a house for charity. They create models with Lego blocks. Draw. Synonyms: sketch, doodle, illustrate. She drew a landscape for her art class. He likes to doodle during meetings. Climb. Synonyms: ascend, scale, mount. He climbed the mountain last summer.
The cat can scale. Tall trees.
Think. Synonyms: ponder, contemplate, reflect. She thinks deeply before making decisions. He likes to reflect on his past experiences. Paint. Synonyms: color, dye, stain. She painted a beautiful mural on the wall. They color with watercolors. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more videos on YouTube and Facebook.